Are you struggling with unresponsive applicant tracking systems, ATS? Do you want to increase your chances of landing an interview? Today, we'll reveal the secret to creating a resume that grabs the attention of ATS and boosts your chances of getting hired. Hello everyone, I am Mustafa from Valley for Tech's channel. Today we will learn how to create a resume using an ATS system, without the need to use paid websites. Just using Microsoft Word, and with the click of a button. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word, then click on the New tab. In the search bar, type ATS. Then, press the Enter button on the keyboard. A variety of resume templates compatible with the ATS system will appear. Browse through these templates until you find the right template for you. Then select this template by clicking on it with the mouse. Then click on the Create button to open this template in a new Word page. After you have chosen the template, now you need to modify the data in the template, and replace it with your own data. Start by filling in the personal information, by writing your full name, job title, address, phone number, email address. After that, you will add the job objective. This objective should be clear and concise, and describe the job you are looking for. After that, you will add the job experience, by writing company name, position, time period, description of responsibilities. Keeping in mind that the order of experiences is from bottom to top. The oldest job experience is at the bottom of the section, and the most recent job experience is at the top of the section. After that, you will add education, by writing university name, certificate, specialization, time period. After that, you can add skills, such as languages and programs you are proficient in. After you've finished creating your resume, you'll need to save it in PDF format. This format is compatible with most ATS systems. To save your resume in PDF format, go to the File tab, then click on the Save As option, then select where you'll save your resume. From the window that appears, give your resume a unique name through the File Name field, then from the Save As Type drop-down list, and select the PDF option. Now, go to the folder path where you saved your resume, then open it using your favorite web browser. That's it. You've created an ATS resume using Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more technical solutions, be sure to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all the new ones.